Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change aspect ratio on CapCut PC. Alright guys, here I have opened my CapCut application on my PC and I'm going to drag this video to the CapCut timeline. And if you want to change the ratio of this clip, we just need to click on this ratio option. Then you're going to select the ratio that you want to use, and I'm gonna go with this ratio, this 9:16 ratio. Okay, now as you can see that the ratio has been changed, and I'm going to adjust the size of the video. So I'm going to zoom in like this. Okay, and adjust the position. I'm going to drag it. Okay, and now the ratio has been changed, and that's how we can change the aspect ratio on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.